Question 36. 3/4 divided by 2. Now there's a very quick rule that we can do with this one, but then we'll have a look at exactly how this works. So if you're dividing a fraction by a whole number, you basically keep the top number the same, so the 3 stays it is, so top number is same, so 3 stays the same, and then the other two numbers, even though it says divide, you actually times them together, and that's the little trick that works. So 4 times 2 is 8. So the final answer is actually 3/8. Okay, so we've kept the top number the same, and we've multiplied the other two numbers. And that will actually always work and always get you the correct answer. You should simplify that if possible, but we can't really simplify 3/8, since the only number we can divide both of them by will be 1, and if we did that, we'd still get 3/8. So just a few other examples of this working. So if you did 6/7 divided by 4, you'd keep the 6 as it was, and you do 7 times 4, which is 28. So that would be 6/28. Now this one you could simplify. So you can half both of these. So half of 6 would be 3, and half of 28 would be 14. So you could have 3/14 as a different answer. If you want one more example, we'll go for 1/9 divided by 4. Well, the 1 would stay as it is, and the 9 and the 4 get times together to make 36. So that would be 1/36. Now, if you do want to understand why this works, we could actually have a little look and a little draw at a pizza. Use some sort of diagram, or a chocolate bar might be more helpful. If we do a pizza first, okay, there's our pizza. We'll split it into quarters, and we want to shade in 3/4. So there's 1/4, there's 2/4, there's 3/4. Now what we want to do is split this amount in half. So if we split this in half, I'll use the orange pen this time, let's draw a little line of symmetry, so we're sort of splitting that in half. Now if we're splitting it in half, we've got this bit and this bit. That's one half, and these two bits are the other half. So these two bits together, what are they? Well, if you split a quarter in half, you're going to get an 1/8. So this is 1/8, and this quarter here is actually, if you think about it, an 8 plus another 8. So altogether, when you split the 3/4 in half, you've got this here, which is 1/8, another 8, another 8. 3 lots of an 8 makes 3/8. So the final answer is 3/8. As you can see, it's far easier just to use the rule of keep the 3 the same and do 4 times 2, but that is why it works. If you want to see that with a chocolate bar, it might be even easier to see. So we need to have 3/4. So where's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. Let's shade in our 3/4. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. If you split it in half, you basically, that's one half of the bit I've shaded, and that's the other half of the bit I've shaded. So the question is, 1/2 of the yellow bit is 1, 2, 3 squares out of the original 8. So that's another reason why it is 3/8. Whichever way you do it, the final answer is 3/8.